A very good evening, class 10. Today we are going to start exercise 3.5. Now, question 1 is, which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. Now there is a one new thing here, cross multiplication method. Now let us see some of the basic things which we must be knowing before doing this exercise. Now previously on page number 46, table 3.4, this must be remembered properly. Now here we considered that in case of two linear equations, after comparing the values of a, b and c, if a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, then those according to graph, they will be intersecting lines if we draw the graphs, and algebraic interpretation will be, it will have exactly one solution, that is, it will have unique solution. Similarly, if all three are equal, then they will have infinitely many solutions, and if in case that a1 a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2, then it will have no solution, right? Now in simple words, on page number 59 also you can see of your book, it has been given, if a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, we get a unique solution, and if all three are equal, infinitely many solutions, and if a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2, there is no solution. Now if we take and also now we come to the cross multiplication method. Now this is the cross multiplication method. You can see it is written here. I am just showing you. Now what is here? In case we need to find the values of x and y. Now till now we learn how to find the values of x and y by solutions. First by substitution method. Second was by eliminating method, 3.4 exercise, and now we have this cross multiplication method. All three purpose is same. तीनटे method है किंतु purpose होच्छे same to find the values of x and y. So how do we write this equation when we need to find the values of x and y? X by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equals to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equals to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now in order to memorize this, you can see this on page number 60, this cross multiplication table is given. So it is very simple, b1 by b2, b1 by b2. When you write this b1 by b2, at the end b1 by b2, and set the c1 c2 a1 a2, then you can see the arrows, cross multiplication arrows, b1 c2, you can see here b1 c2, b2 c1, b2 c1, like this. Both are same. This one I think it will be easier to memorize, right? So now let us solve the first part of exercise 3.5, answer 1 first part. Now these are the two equations given. Now we need to find whether what kind of solution they are having. Infinitely many, no solution, right? So after putting the values, you can see a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 c2. We can easily see that a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. So pairs of linear equations has no solution. Now in the book, in case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication. So if we have the unique solution, then only we will find the values, right? So in this case, there is no solution. Let us take the second one. Now here we can see that after putting the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2, a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. Therefore, they will intersect each other at a unique point, and thus there will be a unique solution. Now by cross multiplication method, simply if you memorize this, or you can memorize that cross multiplication chart also, by putting the values, first you will get like this. After putting the values and solving, x by 2 equals to y by 1 equals to 1. 1, there will be a whole number. Now you have to compare this whole number by both. X by 2 equals to 1, x is equal to 2 into 1, 2, cross multiplication. Similarly, y by 1 equals to 1, so y equals to 1. Thus we are getting the solution very easily, right? It is lesser time consuming. Next, answer 2. The question is, for which of the values, let me make it large. For which of the values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? Infinite number of solutions. Now for infinite number of solutions, what is the case? A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. This is the case. Now simply put the values. You can see the values have been put. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Now we will compare. Right, A1 by A2 by C1 by C2. So you can see A1 by A2 2 by A minus B and C1 by C2 7 3A plus B minus 2. Now after cross multiplication and solving, we are getting this equation 1. Similarly, B1 by B2, all three are equal. So B1 by B2, we can keep it as equals to A1 by A2. Right. Here also you can put, actually we need to get two different equations. Therefore, that is why দুটো আলাদা আলাদা ইকুয়েশন চাই, সেজন্যই আমাকে আলাদা আলাদা A1 by A2 আগে C1 by C2 পুট করেছে, তারপরে A1 by A2 B1 B2 পুট করেছে। দুটোই বারবার তো পুট করা যাবে না। So you can take any two different pairs. So thus we are getting this equation number 2. Right? Now we can see that A minus 9B equals to minus 4 and A minus 5B equals to 0. Now by subtract you can see A both are same. So add করলে কিন্তু eliminate হচ্ছে না A আর A. Add করলে কিন্তু হবে না. So we need to subtract equation 1 from 2. After subtracting, processটা এখানে দেখা নেই, দেখাবে তোমরা। A gets eliminated and 4B equals to 4, that is B equals to 1. So we are getting value of B. Now by substituting the equation 2, we are getting A equals to 5. Hence A equals to 5 and B equals to 1 are the values for which the given equation give infinitely many solutions. Right? Now today I will start one question because all these 3.4, 5 and 6 all are similar. Right? So now 3.6, first question. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Now we need to solve these equations by reducing, making them simpler. Then we can solve. Now solving can be done, remember, bhalo kore shunne be, you can solve, no particular method has been given. You can solve by substitution method, you can solve by elimination method, or you can solve by cross multiplication method. Mind it, cross multiplication method is the least time consuming method. But whatever method you are comfortable in, সেই মেথডে কিন্তু তোমরা করবে সামসগুলো। ঠিক আছে? Let's see the first one. Now here, these are in fractions. So what we are going to do is, we are going to let the fractional part first. 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. You can let any number, any letter. So the equation changes p by 2 plus q by 3 equals to 2. Now yesterday I showed that how to make these linear equations removing the fractional part. LCM of 2 and 3, 6. Now 6 multiplied by every means LHS and RHS, we are getting this equation. Similarly, second part also, LCM will be 6 and after multiplying we are getting these equations. In case of while doing you get any problem, you can ask me. Now here by cross multiplication method it has been shown. Again I am telling you can use any method when you get these equations. So by cross multiplication method, if you want elimination method or substitution method, then you have to change the equations. 3p plus 2q is equal to 12, 2p plus 3q is equal to 13, then you have to solve. But here there is no need to change these equations. Simply a1, b1, a2, b2, c2, all the values. You can see this cross multiplication method I have given here. Now by putting all the values, you are getting p by 10 equals to q by 15 equals to 1 by 5. Now comparing this p by 10 by 1 by 5, that is p equals to 2, and here also by cross multiply q equals to 3. Now p equals to 2. What was p? P was 1 by x. So 1 by x is equal to 2. Now x is equal to reciprocal of 2 means 1 by 2. Similarly 1 by y q কি লেট করেছিলাম y 1 by y কে লেট করেছিলাম now 1 by y is equal to 3. Now reciprocal is equal to y is equal to 1 by 3. So I have not shown any of the problem sums. Problem sums are similar only. Equations তৈরি করতে হবে দিয়ে সলভ করতে হবে. You have lots of work to do in this weekend. অনেকটাই কাজ আছে. For me, chapter 3 is closed. Now whatever doubts you have, you can ask me within this weekend. Saturday, Sunday মধ্যে কিন্তু doubts জিজ্ঞেস করে শেষ করে নিতে হবে. Thank you very much.